fans very much at the forefront, including voting for... We just saw our shot just a moment ago. With
like maybe more experience or better players in as far as the quality is concerned. A long injury term and very exciting. With Lebisu has been holding that fort for the longest, and here he is.
Been out for 2.5 months with him. All the way since facing Stellenbosch in August. And then the unique code that you'll find on either your 500ml or 750ml Carling Black Label. This is Moremi. Ndaba clipped forwards for goals of which they themselves have scored 7. And if you actually look back at their previous campaigns, the 6 Carling knockout games they were involved in, those games together produced just 8 goals, of which they did not score the bulk.
Taking place at the moment.
Also currently without Klaksani Tetwa, who's been so crucial to them. Teams were forcing extra time on that day, and then Mangula scoring his first ever senior goal on as a sub. He has scored 3 goals from the bench this season. Picking out Carling knockout is Otieno, 3 in the Betway Premiership for him though, across 7 appearances. The bench in Evidence Magopa is in that national team setup. Here's also an Apollos after a lovely little skip from Sipho Mbule. And Apollos has managed to force it to him, and good exchange of passes. Nemtajer. Apollos. It's somewhat 76,000 rand. So the prize pot is currently Sipho Mbule. Lovely little layoff. Ndaba just can't squeeze it. Threaded through for Apollos. Mbule dinked over the top from Putuma, who profited from a similar scoop from
Squeeze-it pass from Mbule to find Mbutuma and made himself big in front of Mbutuma. That was golden opportunity for
Ndaba finding Mbule in some space here. Rides a couple of challenges, digs out across. Mbutuma snuck in.
Get that ball into the box, but well read by Mbutuma, who saw the opportunity and ran in front of the defender.
Been on the winning team just twice, although he was the match winner. Nemtajela. Bata for Mbule, now Apollos. Now Apollos for Mbule. A little over-elaborate, and someone gets away from him. Afternoon on his hands, Van Tungwa. He's put it himself. Here's Mbule. Ndaba has yet to appear in the starting lineup. This is the 6th instance that he's been introduced off the bench this season. But as we said, did have an impact in the quarter-final as a sub.
Also against Polokwane, he came in the second half.
Yep.
But if anything.
And that is their only defeat in their last 17 matches across all competitions, which they have won 13 of those. Quite remarkably, all 3 draws over that period.